Hey, welcome.
Oh, hi.
Dag.
Chad. Yeah, so I just got this new Toyota and you know the back, I'll show you. Yeah, so this back window stroker, it's not like, it's, you know. Ooh. Hello?
Yo.
Yeah, so that one, I don't know what the fuck this is not, yeah. And also, yeah, so usually there's this, like, you know?
Yeah.
And these.
So you have a problem with the washers.
Yeah.
Is it not washing anymore? It has stopped to wash. There's no washing fluid coming.
Yes, that one, yes.
Don't worry.
The wash.
Yeah. Come with me. We are going to fill some papers and 30 minutes.
Okay.
Rear wipers and front washers. 30 minutes, flat rate, 50 euros.
Can I have one of those? Yeah. Okay, deal.
Yeah, so you can take a coffee over there and sit and wait. I'm gonna take this work order to the mechanic and we will have the job fixed for you.
Okay.
Saatana! Ei se lähtee! Ei välillä toinen väliin! Olemme tehdään!
Então não vai passar qualquer creme nele, né? Use a melhor.
Excuse me. Yeah, so your car is ready now and we want to show you what we did.
All right.
If you follow me into the workshop. So yes, as you can see, our mechanic replaced your rear wiper. This is the used rubber. As you can see, this works as the wiping mechanism. And we installed a wiper, new school. This is just to replace with whatever rag you can find, and you will never need these again. This works very fine, as you can see. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
yeah.
Nice.
And the washer fluid into the front. We have some amazing news for you. I'm gonna open the hood for you over here, and you will witness. This is a new concept we have over here. We installed for you. You will never have to fill your reservoir again, but yeah. You just blow into this, and this will create a pressure into this reservoir, and the pressure will then fill your other reservoir. So instead of just lifting this up and filling it, you now have to fill this more often. But you can see how it makes sense.
So how does it work?
You blow your car. And this also works if you want to wash your engine room. You just
Oh.
Yeah, so it's 2-in-1 concept. You can also, like, if you want to wash your, you can see that here's working headlight washers, but in the wintertime these sometimes freeze stuck. So now when you are driving your car, you can just park at a stoplight or something and just
That's amazing. And I don't even have to open the hood.
No, this works with the hood closed. So what do you think?
Vad fan gjorde du? Vad fan gjorde du?
Vänta nu. Du törkar nu i handen.